Every year, Americans lose billions of dollars. Not to scams, not to fraud, but to simple credit card mistakes. Mistakes that seem small, mistakes most people don't even realize they're making. In this video, we'll break down the most expensive credit card mistakes and how banks quietly profit from them. By the end, you'll know exactly how to stop losing money and start using credit cards the smart way. Credit cards are one of the most profitable products banks offer. Why? Because they rely on human behavior, forgetfulness, and financial pressure. Banks don't need everyone to fail. They just need some people to make mistakes. Let's look at the most costly ones. This is the biggest mistake. When you pay only the minimum amount, interest keeps compounding. Your balance barely decreases. You stay in debt longer. A $5,000 balance can take years to clear and cost thousands in interest. Minimum payments protect the bank, not you. One missed payment can trigger late fees, penalty interest rates, credit score damage. Interest rates can jump to 30% or more. Banks earn the most when payments are late, even once. Many people don't know their card's APR. Credit card interest compounds daily, not monthly. That means interest grows faster than most people expect. If you don't understand your APR, you're paying blind. Using too much of your credit limit hurts your credit score, signals financial stress, makes future loans expensive. Even if you pay on time, high utilization works against you. Cash advances look convenient, but they are extremely expensive. They often include immediate interest, no grace period, higher fees. This is one of the fastest ways to lose money on a credit card. Cash back and reward points feel like free money. But if you overspend, carry a balance, then rewards are meaningless. Banks give rewards because interest income is much higher. Because statements are confusing, fees feel small, loss happens slowly. Banks don't force mistakes, they wait for them. Here's how to stay ahead. Pay full balance every month. Set payment reminders. Keep utilization below 30%. Avoid cash advances. Understand your APR credit cards should work for you, not against you. Credit cards aren't evil, but ignorance is expensive. Once you understand the rules, you stop paying unnecessary fees. If this video helped you, subscribe for more financial clarity that's